Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 3rd September current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, government banned 118 mobile applications. It is like a app ban 2.0. Here, a select list of 118 mobile applications that were banned by the government on Wednesday. PUBG Mobile, the first one, WeChat, VPN for TikTok, Baiju, LPI, Cam OCR, AppLock, Gallery Vault, Cyber Hunter, Mafia City, Gallery HD, Tobago, U Dictionary, Cleaner Phone Booster, and Z Camera. These are the first famous apps in the 118 mobile applications of Chinese one. Here, why India move for ban 2.4? In ban 1.0, we have seen that there is a ban on TikTok, Cam Scanner, and UDIC, that UC browser also. But now India is going towards next one, that is under the app ban 2.0. Here, that India government is saying that these are prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of the India. That's why India are going towards the ban 2.0. Here, if you see that PUBG Mobile and 117 other apps with links to China were banned in India under the section 69 of the Information Technology Act. India uses the under section 69 of the Information Technology Act, and by using the provisions of Information Technology Rules 2019, India invokes its power under section 69 of the IT Act. Here there is a ministry, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY. These are the important points. Here the first one, India is banned under the prejudicial to the sovereignty and integrity of the India. And next one, there is a ministry, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and third one, it invokes the power under section 69A of the Information Technology Act. Next one, Mission Karma Yogi. Union Cabinet has approved the Mission Karma Yogi. It is a national program for civil services capacity building, that is NTPC SCB, National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building. Here, if you see that, in that there are some 7 important points are there. Once I will read it, please understand that one. National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building. The first one, prescribe a annual capacity building plan. That means for every one calendar year, it will prescribe a annual capacity building. After that, we have to monitor the implementation of the capacity building plan. After that, massive capacity building initiative to ensure efficient service delivery. After implementing, we have to give the efficient service delivery. After that, promotes technology driven learning pedagogy. That means here in this Karma Yogi plan, we have to give the promotion to the technology. After that, strengthens the common foundations and remove departmental soils. That means there is a different types of departmentals in our country, but it strengthens the common foundation for all. Here, sets benchmark in learning for public servants. Here there is a benchmark that is set by this NPC SCB, that is National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building. Here, democratization of learning to cover all the categories. These are the important characteristics of this NPC SCB. Next one, 0 hour and question hour. There is a article regarding this 0 hour and question hour. Here, rather than or apart from knowing the concept, here I will take some questions. By seeing these questions, you will understand the difference between 0 hour and question hour. What is the time of 0 hour? 0 hour means the 0 hour starts at 12 noon immediately following the question hour. That means firstly it will start with the question hour. After 0 hour means after 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, we will call it as a 0 hour. That's why that name given to that hour, that is 0 hour. Here, what is the 0 hour in the Lok Sabha? That is 30 minutes. A member gets 3 minutes to raise an issue in the 0 hour. Here, there may be a chances of 10 questions. That means one question or one inquiry, one request consists of only 3 minutes only. Here, important one, who introduced the 0 hour? The 0 hour is an Indian innovation in parliamentary proceedings. The 9th Speaker of RRB regulated these practices. The 0 hour is an Indian innovation in parliamentary proceedings. The 9th Speaker of RRB regulated this practice. What is the difference between question hour and 0 hour? Question hour is the first hour of the Lok Sabha session where members of the questions ask the question. Here, the name itself defines these two words, that is question hour and 0 hour. Question hour means the members in Lok Sabha questions the government. 0 hour immediately followed by the question hour. Here, in next slide, I will give the picture of this 0 hour or how, what is the parliament is doing or why, what is going on in parliament. Here, what happens in parliament. If we see in Lok Sabha upward, if we see in Rajya Sabha in downward, if we see in first Lok Sabha from 11 am to 12 am, that is the first one question hour. It means there may be a tenure of 30 minutes, 11 am to 12 pm. After that, 12 pm to 1 pm, that is 0, we will call it as a 0. That means from 12 pm it will be like a 0. That's why it will call it as a 0 hour. From 12 pm to and 1 pm, it represents the people. That means the urgency of the people's issue we will discuss in 0 hour. Next one, after 1 pm to 2 pm, that is a lunch hour between for these two Sabhas, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After that, if you see in Lok Sabha from 2 pm to 4 pm, government business and legislative business. If you see that Lok Sabha will work up to the 6 pm, that means from 2 to 6 pm there is a discussion of government business and legislative business. Here, if we see in Rajya Sabha, keep the government check and represent the people in a question hour. If you see that in 0 hour, that is a representation of the people. After 2 pm to 5 pm, this Rajya Sabha will work up to 5 pm only. In that, it will make the laws and pass the budget only. Now, I think you will clear this doubt. There is a difference between 0 hour and question hour. First question hour, after that 0 hour. What will happen in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? We have seen that. Now, I will move to the next article. Next one, Global Innovation Index 2020. Here, there is a good move by India, that is, India has climbed the 4 spots and has been ranked 48th by the World Intellectual Property Organization. Here we have to remember the WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. That means by this one only, Global Innovation Index, that is GII 2020 has been released. That is World Intellectual Property Organization. If you see that the topmost country are in the world's most innovative country, Switzerland is the world's most innovative country. India ranks in the top 15 indicators of such as ICT services, exporters, government online services, graduates in S&T and science and technology, and R&D, that is research and development, intensive global companies. Here, India scored well in these 15 indicators. That's why India has climbed 4 spots. If you see in GIA 2019, that is India at the 52nd position. Now it is crossed the 48th position. Now it's India should at the 48th position. It is a great news to us. Like India is at the top 50 countries, 48th position. Here, this year's theme is who will finance innovation? Who will finance innovation? Here the for these indexes also we have to remember theme also for important days and theme indexes we have to remember themes also. Then only we will crack competitive exams like any IBPS, UPSC and TSPSC also. Next one, Jammu and Kashmir Official Languages Bill 2020. Here there are 5 official languages are introduced in this bill. That is, they are Urdu, Kashmiri, Dogri, Hindi and English. In this bill they are saying that inclusion of Dogri, Hindi and Kashmiri as official languages in Jammu and Kashmir is not only a fulfillment of long pending public demand, but is also in keeping with the spirit of equality. Here another two words, two languages, they are Urdu and English. That means equality. There is a keeping, there is a also keeping in with the spirit of equality also. First of all, there is a demand, that is to introduce in Dongri, Hindi and Kashmir as the official languages. After that, with the adding of these Urdu and English, we will give the equality to the who are practicing or who are using these languages in Jammu and Kashmir. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.